Hello. So today I got the two other cabinets in. This cabinet, this drawer will come out from up top. We'll get moved down, and then I'm gonna take the door off, and then I gotta change the top part of the cabinet. This is where our cooking stove will go. So we'll eventually have a gas line up to the back that will do the cooking stove, and a line will come across this cabinet into here into the hot water heater. And then if you look in here, the drain and the hot water lines are coming in. So I got those run, and then they run back here to the bathroom where the sink will be. And then the drain will drop down from the sink down onto the floor, and then it'll go under the bus. And then the water lines will get cut, and then there'll be T's to come up for the faucet for this sink, and then it'll drop back down and then come over to the shower. But I got those done. We're gonna run to the store and get a few things, some more outlets to finish the few up here, and then enough to do the ones in the back. And we're gonna get the bathroom vanity sink and maybe the plywood to do the subfloor for the back part of the bus. Because once the drains are in for the toilet and everything runs from the shower to the sink and then back to the floor, and then we can put the plywood down. I'll probably put some insulation in here maybe, and then we can start putting flooring. So we're gonna go shopping.